Doesn't clean anymore. Replacing it. It's not even connected. Unless it's on the sides. There we go. What's holding it on? Are there clips right there? No. Oh yeah, there are. Must have done it from. So they have these. And you can get a screwdriver in there. So it's clipped on the side right here. Take that out. You got the water line. And that's the drain. Let's turn these off. Turn both of them off. I think I'm disconnecting the drain. It looks like this guy, yep, he used the same technique that I use. The 1/2-inch piece of copper. Look at that. Yep. Stole my technique, bro. We'll use that. Yep. White to white, black to black, green to green. Put the thing back on. Just like so. Boom. Oh, no, there we go. Just like that. Okay, so we have a different situation. They're using a 5/8 hose with a piece of copper that connects to the air gap. So what I'm gonna do, this is 7/8 hose, but I have this 5/8 right here. This is 5/8 hose. I'm gonna put a piece of copper in here, and that will go into this, and then I will run the other side of this. Basically exactly how he has it, whoever installed this first. That's the more secure way to do it, to be honest with you. Other than those cheap, they have those cheap hoses with those stupid clamps on them. I hate those. As a matter of fact, it's inside of here, so. There you have it. That's the most secure way right there. By far. And now, I just put that side onto the copper pipe, however Steve says it, Steve Lav. Cut that square, and then, yeah. Oh. Be neatly tucked in the back there. That's all they had back there anyway. And that. All right. I gotta put this back in there. And we test it. No leaks. No leaks.